And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. About 40 minutes ago, you see Galbraith School there. Sun and cloud mix today is what we had. It's turning a little cloudier at this hour, but still a fair amount of sunshine. 10 degrees is where we're at right now, and that is our daytime high. We got there at 3 o'clock this afternoon. -4 was our low, and we got there at 8 a.m. this morning. Temperatures all over, reflecting the fact that we had that push of warm air into southern Alberta. We talked about this arriving yesterday, so it's certainly not a surprise. Numbers all over are looking pretty healthy. Of course, Lethbridge at 10 degrees. That's the same temperature that they enjoyed for a daytime high in Vancouver. So we're in good company because they're usually a little warmer, shall we say, than what we are here in southern Alberta. But not the case today. That push of warm air continuing in. We're watching a whole series of low pressure centers to the north, but more specifically the ones that we were looking at to affect us here in southern Alberta are right along the 49th parallel. So what we're looking at in terms of overnight conditions, these are still fairly close enough to give us that chance of overnight precipitation, maybe some freezing rain as temperatures drop. But tomorrow, the trajectory of those lows is not on the same path. Right now at this hour, we're watching them pushing a little further to the south, so that is somewhat eliminating and reducing that chance of precipitation in the form of some light snow and some freezing rain tomorrow. It looks like we'll have sun and cloud mix for the most part and just a chance of that precipitation. Of course, this is southern Alberta and things change, but that's the latest information. So we've got that mixed precipitation here. We've got snow on the higher elevations. Now for you folks in East Kootenay, you're still expecting to see a couple centimeters of snow tonight, some snow again tomorrow, but areas here as we get into Saturday, we just have that small pocket of precipitation and a lot of sunshine in the mix. So things have changed dramatically just in the last few hours as this system has reduced as far as its intensity and has pushed further to the south. So things have changed. -8 degrees in St. John's. It hasn't changed down east. We've got these cooler temperatures here. We've still got wind chill affecting some of the areas, southern Quebec in through the northern edge of New Brunswick, but not the deep wind chills that they were looking at yesterday. And of course, all that is pushing eastward. But another area of high pressure is pushing down from the Arctic into Manitoba, northern Ontario. So Winnipeg, -26 degrees, got blowing snow there, blowing snow carrying into Thunder Bay as well. -19, feeling like -32 in Regina, although they did have a beautiful sun and cloud mix today. Very cold. And as I mentioned, very mild in Vancouver at -10 degrees, -14 in Whitehorse, Yellowknife at -26, and the wind chill there putting it near -40 overnight. Now East Kootenay, yeah, that graphic stays the same. You're expecting snow tonight, you're expecting snow tomorrow. Even though your daytime high hits -1, your winds will be out of the northwest. Crow's Nest Pass, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, and then tomorrow you'll have a sun and cloud mix instead of that heavy snow amount and just some chance of light flurries. Medicine Hat, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, sun and cloud mix tomorrow, and a chance of light flurries. So that graphic there doesn't really apply anymore, and it doesn't apply in Lethbridge either. We've got that chance of some freezing precipitation overnight tonight, but tomorrow we'll see a fair bit of sun and cloud and just that chance of precipitation. So Saturday, that graphic should look more like what Sunday's looks like, with just a little bit of a chance of precipitation here. So as we get into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday and Wednesday, we are looking at that chance of light snow happening starting Tuesday and then flurries on Wednesday. So all clear as mud? Yeah. Fred, congratulations. Fred is a wood carver, and he doesn't mind me telling you either that he's 92 years old, and he makes beautiful ornate flower boxes for friends and relatives. Works all winter long on those and then gives them away in the spring and summer. So we have a basket here, not wood carved by me, but we have a basket here for Fred. Daryl's doing the salute on the side. That's it for me, everyone. Have a really great weekend.